Hello YouTube, I am SM451, and today we're back with more Mario Kart Wii item rain. I'm going to be doing two Grand Prix. For the first one, I'm going to be using what TD98 calls the BAM Shock Dodge combo. And I'm going to be doing the retro tracks. So yeah, in between I'll switch of what I'm using. Can I get a BAM Shock Dodge? Oh yes, in the bowl bill. Oh, I'm not good. I'm no good with the Magic Cruiser. I did not expect it to be a mushroom. Are the frame rates dropping? Where are all the items? Here they all are. No. Oh, they're all despawning before I could grab them. Bullet bill. Wait, what? I never knew you could do that. Because you never really get to have a bullet bill and a red shell at the same time. I'm a vanilla marker. Oh yeah. Bam! Shock dodge. Well, this really is the Bam Shock Dodge combo. Look, I got two Bam! Shock Dodge. Let me just move on to the next race. Now I'm on the worst track in Mario Kart Wii of all time. Oh, there a bomb already spawned at the beginning. Nope. I want to stay away from that bomb. Blooper everyone anyways. Oh, okay, I never tried doing that before. Come on, give me some shock dodges. Bam! Bam! Shock dodge. I literally wow, this really is the Bam Shock Dodge combo. Whoa, I think I found my new item rain combo. Yeah, I think Magic Cruiser is the way to go in item rain. Here we go. Bro, the cons took a half an hour to beat the track. We're on Ghostly Valley 2. Oh. Give me. Ooh! Mr. Bullet Bill. Ow. Hey, I heard a shock. Shock everyone else. Let's get brutally murdered while doing it. And let's fall off getting a good. That was embarrassing. Oh yes, Mario Raceway. Oh great, we have Koopa Troopa in the Magic Cruiser. It's my boy Koopa Troopa. He's one of my favorite small weights. That is not Toad. A mushroom, yeah, but another mushroom in first. It times out perfectly for the shot. They're all landing in the audience. Anyways, Squish Peach. Bullet Bill. The Bullet Bill took the shortcut? Oh, that's a bam! Shock dodge. I don't underestimate Dry Bones. Come on, Dry Bones. Saw a star there, but landed perfectly on top of me. Big shocked everyone. Right. I just love getting Bullet Bill. Bills at first and sure. It's okay. Now see the finishing times. Nothing exciting. Alright, now I'm doing the Mushroom Cup. I am using one of my favorite hit Mario Kart characters. My favorite character from Mario Kart Double Dash. Oh yes, the Magic Cruiser on Sugarland. How nice. I think I'm somewhat been underestimating the Magic Cruiser. It's good for ice tracks, and it's all and you know, oh, it's very good at getting shock dodges with. That's right, just take some nice cuts right there. They're all disappearing from me. No, no more bombs. I don't want bombs from you, more shit. Who? Just imagine how annoying that's gonna be. Of like when I finally get the chance to do this online with real humans. I'm just imagining how annoying and getting shocked is gonna be. Store. Hey, I'm overlapping everyone. Bam! Shock dodge. That's right. That's right. I'm just gonna overlap like everyone in the room. Well, not room, just all computer players. Here we go. Wow. Yoshi running away from the IRS right there? This way. Squish everybody. Yeah, I just can't. Yeah, so yeah, I'm probably going to start advertising my mark or Wii friend code to see if and then do like an and pre with that with all those people. Like, well, more like an FFA. Here with them. Oh, keep me big. I need to stay as a big boy. Big boy. Oh, there's so many items on the track. Wow. Oh well, I guess I wasn't looking. Bam. And there we go. Whoa, it's those finishing times. You know how I say nothing bad happens on this track? Let's see if nothing bad ever happens on item rain for this track. Oh, that's bad. Time for the video to end. Oh yeah, come on, have the bad stuff not happen to me. I'm just gonna throw it behind me. Okay, if I can beat this track in the last track, like I'll do a custom track on item rain. And then not just a retro track that did not make it into Mario Kart Wii, like a straight up custom track. Missed the star. I'm missing. Where's all the items? They're not landing where I want them to land. Why did I say thought that would be a good idea? I'm gonna go get an item box right here. Thundercloud, oh no. And this is not a Mega T. This is not a Mega Thundercloud. Well, I think I'm gonna lose this race. There's a Bullet Bill. Come on, Bullet Bill, take me to victory. Or I could do that when I'm trying to figure out. Don't bomb me. Bullet Bill disappeared. Oh yes. Nothing fun day. No time for Waluigi Stadium. We go. Oh yeah, just running away from everyone. Oh, excuse me. Bullet Bill. Here we go. Well, all the items just fall out of the sky. So close from touching that blue shell. No, it destroyed the Bullet Bill. There's another one right there. Let's keep going. Oh, come on, let's hold this mushroom for good luck. Yes. Yes. Well, okay, that can happen. Well, I'm just going to use this Bullet Bill. Whoa, do you see that icon? Wow, the Bullet Bill icon is so squished. And finishing times are nothing good to look. Anyways, I'm not going to do custom track because I realized that the frame rate's so awful, so I'll just do a retro track. I decided to end the video off with Mushroom City from Mario Kart Double Dash. So yeah, I think that's pretty... So yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to be the end of the video right there. Or just in case I don't finish. Just in case I can't finish this in the next 2 minutes. So yeah, just in case I don't do it, it's goodbye. Bam, shock dodge. Another shock dodge. Here we go. And yeah, now the video is officially over. For those who stayed around for this part, now this is the real ending of it. Goodbye.